Today is my second day of studying. I want to talk about English pronunciation. First of all, what I want to say is English speaker, stop pronouncing things so lazily. Okay. What I realized while studying English is that the spell and pronunciations are so different. It's the same with the T sound. Look, here's Water. From what I know, T is supposed to be T, right? But when you actually read it, it pronounced water. Water. Well, I get it at this point. Why does the H disappear in honestly to make it honestly? And why the interview pronounced as interview? I was practicing my listening with a Key and Peele YouTube video today, and there are a few more sentences. Everybody waiting, bated breath. Here, they pronounce it bated breath instead of bated breath. Bated breath, bated breath. Did you guys have a hard time in spelling tests when you were kids? Anyway, my point is, English speakers, please stop mumbling and let's pronounce things honestly. That's it for today's study. Peace out.